Welcome to Digital Sovereignty 101. In today's interconnected digital landscape, enterprises face a critical challenge: how to maintain control over their technology, data, and operations while remaining competitive and collaborative. This is the essence of digital sovereignty, the ability of an organization to govern its digital assets and infrastructure independently. For enterprises, digital sovereignty isn't just a technical concern, it's a strategic imperative that protects autonomy, ensures compliance, and safeguards business continuity. Enterprise Business Architecture, or EBA, provides the foundational framework for achieving this balance, aligning sovereignty objectives with operational efficiency and innovation. At the heart of digital sovereignty lies a fundamental design challenge: creating systems that are both interoperable and independent. Enterprise Business Architecture defines how business processes, information systems, and technology components interact to achieve organizational objectives while maintaining control over critical infrastructure, data, and applications. True sovereignty doesn't mean isolation or building walls around your systems. Instead, it means architecting interoperable systems that can connect and collaborate externally without creating dependencies that compromise your autonomy. A well-designed architectural framework allows core business functions to operate independently while still supporting secure external collaboration with partners, customers, and ecosystems. Modern enterprise business architecture integrates three essential sovereignty principles. First, technical control, which means your organization dictates technology choices, infrastructure decisions, and access policies. Second, data integrity, ensuring that information flows comply with sovereignty standards and regulations like GDPR or industry-specific requirements. Third, operational independence, guaranteeing business continuity even if foreign providers or external dependencies fail. These principles come together in what we call controllable interoperability, achieved through modular system designs, adherence to open standards, and robust data governance within clearly defined boundaries. Federated interoperability takes this further, allowing independent systems to maintain control over their own data while collaborating securely with external entities through well-governed interfaces. The technology choices you make have profound implications for sovereignty and autonomy. This is where strategic selection becomes critical. A key principle here is reversible dependency. Maximize interoperability and functionality, but always ensure that dependencies can be reversed or replaced if needed. When evaluating technology solutions, assess exit feasibility alongside traditional criteria like performance, security, and scalability. Can you migrate away from this platform if circumstances change? Do you have access to your data in portable formats? Layering open technologies provides a strong foundation, incorporating open-source components, standards-compliant protocols, and locally governed systems wherever possible. Hybrid control models offer practical flexibility, combining open systems with selective use of proprietary platforms, all under strong governance frameworks. Governance by design is essential for maintaining sovereignty throughout the technology lifecycle. This means embedding sovereignty considerations into procurement processes, deployment decisions, and ongoing management. Effective decision chains bring together enterprise architects, compliance officers, and business technologists to co-design processes that protect autonomy from the start. This collaborative approach ensures that sovereignty isn't an afterthought, but a core design principle that guides every technology decision your organization makes. A common misconception is that digital sovereignty limits innovation or prevents organizations from adopting cutting-edge technologies. In reality, sovereignty is not a barrier to innovation, but a control mechanism that enables sustainable evolution. Interoperable sovereignty frameworks allow you to adopt artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced analytics without ceding control to external providers. The key is hosting advanced technologies in controllable environments that maintain compliance, transparency, and oversight. An automation logic layer, built on workflow engines and orchestration systems, manages processes internally while interfacing with external systems through controlled gateways. This architecture gives you the benefits of automation without surrendering governance. The business technology alignment layer ensures that architecture informs and empowers technology strategy within sovereignty policy boundaries. This alignment means that business leaders can pursue innovation confidently, knowing that the underlying architecture protects organizational autonomy. Advanced functionality and control aren't opposing forces. They're complementary elements of a well-designed sovereign architecture that enables both agility and security. Enterprise business architecture for digital sovereignty creates a federated, connected, yet controlled paradigm for the modern enterprise. By embedding sovereignty principles into your architectural foundation, you create digital environments that are simultaneously secure, agile, and autonomous. Digital sovereignty is ultimately about maintaining choice, enforcing governance, and safeguarding continuity in an uncertain world. The future enterprise will be one that masters the art of integration, achieving true interoperability without dependency, and driving innovation without compromise. This is the promise of sovereign enterprise business architecture, and it's within reach for organizations willing to architect their digital future with intention and foresight.